Happy Friday, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a foundation Friday, and we are going to be testing out the Pretty Vulgar Cool AF foundation. It's supposed to be full coverage. The bottle is super cute, so I'm going to read you some claims on it really quick. Okay, so some claims on it says, keep cool and put your flawless face forward. Our full coverage matte liquid Cool AF lava water foundation is lightweight, buildable, and long wearing. Formulated with detoxifying charcoal powder and hydrating moringa butter. Our refreshing formula will cover imperfection and even out your complexion. To top it off, exotic volcanic lava water sourced from the ancient Jeju Island delivers antioxidant minerals and nutrients that nourish, keeping your skin supple and strong, perfect for normal, combination, and oily skin types. Those are some pretty serious claims. I'm super excited to see how it wears on my face throughout the day. So I will be using this foundation in this video, and also I will be setting it with the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. I was about to say setting spray. Setting powder. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and how this foundation wears throughout the day, then just keep watching. Okay, so I did just use my normal primers, the e.l.f. Poreless Putty and the Smashbox Minimize Pores. And we are just going to jump straight in. And like I said, I'm using the shade 12 No Filter. I'm just going to do half my face first. And then I'm going to go in with my Eco Tool sponge. It is supposed to be full coverage. I would say it covered a lot. I wouldn't say this smells like anything. It smells just like a normal foundation, I guess, so that's good. Shayna's out of town when you guys are seeing this. I do have the bulldogs in here. So if you hear any kind of snorting or ruckus, that is them. Okay, so that is the foundation on. I'm not going to say I'm obsessed with it. It's not my favorite. It does give pretty decent coverage. I wouldn't say that it's like full coverage. But I mean, it does look okay. It kind of feels like a little drying around my under eyes. I did just go in and set my under eyes with the Coty Airspun like I always do. And next up, we are going to do the Pretty Vulgar. It is the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. So I have heard good stuff about this powder as well, so we will see how it performs. It is kind of like a yellowy looking tint to it, but it's a really fine powder, it looks like. I am just going to dip my Eco Tool sponge in it to set the face. Ooh, it's really powdery. Gives me Coty Airspun vibes for sure. Okay, so that is with the powder on and it's set. I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup and come back on camera and let you know my final thoughts on it. Alright guys, that is it for the final makeup look. I really do like the way that it is looking. It looks really smooth and flawless on my skin. I do have to give it that. For the rest of my face, I did go in with the Too Faced Natural Face palette. I did use the blush and the bronzer in it. And for eyelashes or mascara, I did go in with the Essence Lash Princess. I did give the BH Cosmetic eyeliner a second chance. For brows, I did go in with my Makeup Revolution brow gel in ash brown. I'm not sure exactly what it's called because the letters have rubbed off because I use it too much. And for lips, I did go in with the Plump It Up from NYX. I love this stuff. It just is a really natural look, and then it also is like a cooling sensation for your lips. And then for eyes as well, on top, I did go in with the Eye Glisten from Makeup Revolution in the shade It's Fate. I really do like it. The glitter and stuff is really pretty. However, there is like a lot of fallout under my eyes, so I don't think I'm gonna keep using this. For highlight, I did go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I did just mix Gleam and Sparks, these two shades right here for my highlight. So I've been loving this. It's the best highlight. Like, you guys have to go get it for sure. But yeah, that is it, you guys, for this makeup look. I will test it out and see how it wears throughout the day and let you guys know. Also, before you guys leave, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!